What's up everyone, this is Tia Kirby. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this super cute protective style, perfect for summer and also back to school, using my Kinkistry Clip Ins. So do you remember these? 4-inch and 26-inch Kurlgenics Clip Ins. Each bundle does come with an extra little small baggie of clips in case you need them. They come bundled like this. This is what they look like when I pull them apart. As you can see, it matches my curl pad. I use these clip-ins, these same textured Kurlgenics Clip Ins that are absolutely phenomenal, as you can see, and they're so very versatile. And I wanted to show you different ways to use your Kinkistry Clip Ins. Comment below and tell me how you love the style. I hope that you will absolutely love and try the style out. If you do, make sure that you take a picture and follow me on Instagram and tag me, and also tag Kinkistry. You can find me on Instagram as Tia Kirby. That's T-I-A-K-I-R-B-Y, but of course I'll float all of that up here in the video. I promise I am back now every Tuesday with a new content, beauty content and lifestyle and hair content on Tuesdays, and then on Fridays you can catch my new talk show, Heart of the Matter. Alright, let's get to it. Now, I'm super geeked about doing this video again with Kinkistry because my last style, if you didn't catch it, I'll put a link up here and then also a link in the description box down below. I'll float one of those little cards. Just click on it. It was my festival Wakanda hairstyle. It was featured in Essence on Essence Online. I'll make sure that I put the link so that you can see my feature. And then I was also featured on naturallycurly.com for top 8 vacation styles that they love. So I'm so excited about that and so excited about the feature. I'll put the link to both down below in the description box. Make sure you go and check it out and show your girl some love. All right, let's get into this new summer protective style using my Kinkistry Clip Ins. To get started, I am applying almond oil to the length of my hair all the way to the ends, making sure that it is moisturized. My hair is freshly blown out, and I decided to do it this way so that it will be a little easier when maneuvering with the style. Now I'm using this rat tail comb to create a part down the center portion of my head. While it's not perfect, it is what it is, and we are going to rock with it. Of course, I'm starting one section at a time, but first I want to show you my clip-ins, what they look like in its curly state, and then now with all of the conditioner rinsed out and then brushed out to best match my blown out hair. For this style, I'm using 2 rows of these 3 clipped sections and then one clip section, which you will see as I'm going through. To apply the clip-ins, I'm just using my finger to run down a small section of the side that I'm working on. And then it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm installing my clip-ins upside down. I'm doing this on purpose because I want to create volume in my hair and make it easier as I'm applying and braiding my hair. Now I am getting ready to apply my second row of clip-ins. Remember, I'm using the 3 clip for this particular style, and of course using the same method of using my finger just to go down the length and apply it upside down. Now at the front, I'm going to apply a 1 clip, and you can see from this clip I definitely combed it out really well and made sure that there was no product in it to make sure that it blended best with my blown out hair. And rule of thumb, I always spritz my edges just to help it lay down better whenever I'm applying an edge gel. That way it also doesn't get cakey. And just to loosen it up just a little bit in the front so that I can begin my braid, I just use my rat tail comb just to kind of stroke through and loosen it up. And of course, I'm starting with 3 very small sections of hair and then just threading it through and adding more. Now, this is something that I always do whenever I do Dutch braids or put my hair in braids. I always use a soft boar bristle brush to kind of stroke my hair into the braid as I'm picking it up and threading it through. Now, this is particularly a good thing to do so that you can help camouflage your clip-ins if you are using clip-ins like we are doing in this style. Just because the boar bristle brush just kind of helps to brush and lay everything down a little smoother and, of course, camouflage those clips. I'm braiding just to the base of my ponytail, or should I say the nape of my neck, because I want to create curly ends, remember? And after I get to the base, I'm now going to apply an elastic ponytail holder at the ends. This is one that of course has no little metal clasp. And I could leave it like this, which is super cute and it gives more of that like textured look. And I just wanted to show you my braids so you can save yourself a whole lot of time if you don't want the curly ends, but just to have that cute textured look. And I wanted to give you a close-up so that you can see it blends perfectly into my blown out hair. Now that I have both of my Dutch braids installed, I'm going to split the sections in half, apply water, work the water in, and then apply a leave-in conditioner. This is going to help me easily detangle my hair. But notice that as I'm detangling, you'll notice that my hair and the clip-ins are both reverting back to my natural curl pattern and its natural curl pattern. So this is a great way for you to wear the ends if you decided not to do the spiral curls. But for me, I definitely wanted spiral curls, so I'm using my curl formers to create heatless spiral curls. You'll notice that I did apply a little bit of setting lotion just to add for hold. Now that I have all of my curl formers in, I'm applying edge control to the edges and getting ready to sculpt them and create my little sideburns and make sure that those edges are laid. So you can see me using my boar bristle brush, and then I'll follow up with my edge brush, and I'm applying on top of the little bit of edge control that I use some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just sculpting my sideburns and of course my edges. And of course applying a little bit of edge control to the parameter of the inside of my braids just to make sure everything lays flat. And then I'll tie it up as my hair is air drying. And here we are the very next day, and I'm pulling my curl formers down. Y'all, look at this. I was like literally tripping at how smooth, how perfect they came out, how amazing they blended into my hair. Yes, I'm so excited. I was a little nervous because y'all probably saw, look at this. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. I love it. Yes! My hair is so shiny and smooth. Everything came out perfect. It's so soft, so bouncy, so hyped. Okay, so I'm applying a little bit of almond oil to my ends and just allowing it to kind of separate to help eliminate frizz, if you will. And now I'm just kind of elongating the curls. But of course, I'm going to have to wait for them to fall. But I wanted you to kind of see what it would look like as it kind of got longer and allowed the curls to fall. But as you can see, I'm super happy with the results and I love it. But what I was trying to say is that I was a little bit nervous because the roots of my hair, the brown is starting to show again. So I got to decide if I'm going to let it grow back out brown or keep the black. But I kept the style on purpose because I wanted to try the curls 2 different ways and to show you that the style will last a long time. So this is day 3. I reset the curls using Eco Styler gel. I didn't wet it, but I just applied the Eco Styler gel and made the curls a lot smaller, meaning thinner sections. And as you can see, I got way better definition. There's less frizz. And I have to say, I do like it this way a lot better as far as the curls go because of the definition and the hold and bounce. But look, I'm so in love. You can't even tell that I'm wearing clip-ins. Come on, Kinkistry, come through every freaking time. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at this close-up. Come on, somebody. And in case you don't have curl formers, you can create similar curls using flexi rods.
So what did you think? I hope that you absolutely love the style and were able to follow along with me pretty easily. As you can see, it's a super easy hairstyle and simple. Something every day, gives your hair volume, length, and allows you to protective style your own hair. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you visit Kinkistry.com to find hair that matches your texture. I love you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.